have Ana Pino of Pika Pika.
Hello, hi. So obviously, medyo may halong, well of course, nung pinapirma ka ako siya, ang unang nakita sa'yo, definitely the looks. But you've proven na may talent din namang kasali pala yun. So pero, may swerte pa rin involved, no? Kasi, ang bilis. Kumpara sa iba, tsaka hindi ka dumaan ng mga talent search, you were scouted, so para destiny mo talaga tong mapunta dito.
Yes po. Okay.
Pero hindi mo inisip at all to before maging artista, diba?
No po. As in parang po, first project ko was Liz Ken na po agad. We were the second love team, tas naudlot pa. So basically, ang first project ko po was my very first movie po, which is kay Cathy Molina Garcia po.
Diba?
So it was really swerte po. And siguro ano na rin, tiwala po from the bosses. I'm really blessed kasi po may nakita po sila sa akin and yung tiwala po nilang binigay sa akin. So yun po, yeah. More on luck din.
Anyway, is school taking a backseat right now?
Po?
School taking a backseat?
Yes. Right now, nag-pause po muna ako kasi I don't know what I want yet. I haven't decided what I want to take up for college. I'm done with high school na po. College na lang po. It's just waiting there. And but I still want to go back po. Like, I really want to go back. Syempre, we always need a plan B no matter what happens. But right now, I'm just taking my time po. Lalo na right now, tuloy-tuloy po yung projects.
Curious lang, yung football mo, backseat na din.
Yes.
Pero umabot ka ba sa mga liga-liga?
Yes po, umabot po ako ng Clara App. We're battling for palarong pambansa. Yeah. So hanggang dun lang po siya, tapos biglaan ko naging busy na ako for high school. So hindi na ako nakaabot ng palarong pambansa, pero yun po, regional tournaments po.
Thank you.